Hi, hi, hi. I think I should be a. Let me wear the bud. Yeah, it's register the contest. Got it. 2 minutes to go. Okay, okay. Yeah, the voice is done. It's clear, right? Ah, 184. Biweekly contest 184. Hmm. There's some lucky winners, right? Oh, there's no lucky winner. There are some lucky winners, right? Power of two. Oh, do this. I think they removed the lucky winner things, right? Maybe. Okay. Okay. We're going to start. We understand the question carefully and we try to not get a wrong answer. Okay. Let me join. Given an integer and return true, the binary represent contain exactly one pair of consecutive side bits. Okay. And two s plus is equal to one, and s plus is equal to zero, and divided by is equal to two if s dot find number return true, return false. Why it's taking time to compile? Getting true. Oh, how, how? Why? We out s. And let's not waste time here. Plus I is equal to s of I plus 1 and s of I is equal to 1. We can prove it is false and we can prove it false. Why wrong answer? Ah, false. Exactly one pair. See, that's why I told you, right? You have to read question very carefully. Then true, then false. This is what we have to do. False, false, false. True. False. Why? Why two wrong answer? If binary doesn't contain exactly one pair of consecutive set bits and false otherwise, exactly one pairs, right? This is not good. Wait a minute, why? I don't know why I'm doing this silly mistakes. Fuck it up now. What's the issue now? Different truth binary represents contain exactly one pair of consecutive side bits. This is what they want, right? True, false. What else they want? What is the error? Is the fucking error? I already hit a fire on answer. I don't know what's wrong I'm doing. Return true if binary represent contain exactly one pair of consecutive set bits and false. Otherwise, a set bit is an integer that's a ones. What is the issue here? I plus 1 is less than this. Time limit exists. What is this going on here? What the hell is this question? I had a fucking 5 penalty, right? Oh my god. 30-minute penalty. Ah, fuck. That's fine. Minimum energy maintain brightness. You are given integer n representing n bright lamps arranged in a line from 0 to n minus 1. You are also given integer brightness of 2D array of interval start and end represent the interval, time interval during which lightning required must be satisfied. At each time unit, every bulb can dependently be either on and off. A bulb that is on illuminates its own position and its existent position if they exist. The total luminates at the time is the number of luminate position, illuminated illuminated position, illuminate actually. Each position is counted as most once. Okay. For every integer time unit, for every integer time unit covered by at least one interval, the total illumination must be at least the brightness. Okay. At time units not covered by any interval, all bulbs may remain off. Each bulb that is consume 1 unit of energy, the minimum total time required. N is equal to 5, brightness is equal to 5, okay? Interval are 6, then 6 to 12. Turn on the light at the position 1 and 4. All 5 positions are illuminated, so the brightness is reached. The active interval has a length, this, so the total energy is 2 into 7, that is 40. Let's got it. So just illuminate this. 6 and 12, what's the total? Resistance. Brightness requirement must be satisfied. Active interval has length 7, so the total energy, right, is multiplied with 2. At each time unit, each bulb can independently be either on or off. A bulb that is illuminate its own position and adjacent position if they exist. The total luminate at time unit is the number of luminate position. Each position is counted at most two. Turn on one light bulb during each active interval. Each interval has length 1, so the total active time is this. The total energy is this. You didn't get it? At least two positions. Okay. The active interval overlap. So the length is this, which is 4. The total energy is this. I didn't get the question, but I thought it's something here. Length into total. Yeah, that is what we have to do. First of all, I have to calculate the interval. Interval. Let's not call it interval. Let's call it V. Interval. Okay. If V dot price is equal to 0, then simply V dot push back x of 0, comma x of y. Continue. Otherwise, what we'll do is if V dot back dot second is less than uh, x of 0, then we again have to push V dot push back x of 0, comma x of 1. Otherwise, what we can do is V dot back uh, second is equal to max of x of 1. Now we have all the intervals. Simplicity, let's bring the interval dot first, x dot second, let's give them 0 for now, 6 to 12, this is fine. Okay, okay, yeah, 1 and 4, this is fine. Yeah, good. So long count is equal to 0 for I, we can do here count plus is equal to x dot second minus x dot first plus 1. Now, how many lamps we need, right? Total brightness in need is equal to total brightness by 3 okay? Okay. And return long and return need into count, I guess. 7 to the 14. Okay. Let's see. 14, 2, and 4. Anyway, we are we already had lots of wrong answer, right? Anyway, I'm hoping it's gonna minus for me. This contest, I will not think much. Good. So what's the issue here? 8 and 9. Expected answer is 2, but I'm getting okay. 1. Brightness is 3. Yeah. Count. Need. Count is 2. Okay. And how come need is 2 now? My God. It is minus is equal to need 3. Brightness and then plus plus. Anyway, we can do using. How come this is possible? But good. Will not think much again and will submit. 14 to 4 and 2. We have been popular. Expected answer is 13, but I will say 5. How? 40, 15, 16, 3. Oh my God, it's a beautiful city. Oh my God, it's a beautiful city. Yeah, today I took a messed up, a lot of mess. See, I'm not focused, right? It is because I'm not doing the active practice. That is the only reason. See, it's accepted. It's accepted. But we have lots of wrong answer. Minimum total value of covered index. We are given an integer elements of length and binary string s of length and where s of I means the index contain a token and does not contain token if it is zero. We perform the following operation n number of times to the token location I such that the token has not been moved before. Move it to index I mean okay. Our index is considered covered if it is contained token after all move. Return an integer maximum total element of covered index after maximum total value of num. Yeah, this is similar question actually. This is a similar question. You can only shift by one, right? Okay, we can only if does not move before. Okay, we can only shift to once. If it is shift, we can't. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll maintain a way to do in terms of greedy, right? What we can do is like start is zero, end is zero. While end is less than steps, right? Cool. Choose a token currently located index I, where I state is such that the token has not moved before. Move the token to index this. while s of n is equal to 1, sum plus is equal to nums of n and plus plus. Okay, if s of n is equal to 0, plus plus and plus plus, right? Now, here, what we'll do is start minus 1 greater than 0, then new sum is equal to nums of start minus 1 plus sum minus nums of n minus 1. Answer plus is equal to max of sum comma new sum. Okay, that is equal to written answer. 3. Yeah, start now and start is at 1 and is at 2. Okay, sum new sum. How come new sum is 8? Okay, new sum is 9. Okay, 2 and is at 4. Okay, okay, and here is equal to 0, then 16, 4, 12. Okay, is one of the four forces box question. I think, yeah, this is one of the box question. How I saw that question. Actually, I have to maintain this thing. Yeah. So what we'll do here is we'll start maintaining. What's that? Maintain here is this sum plus if this is fine. Set dot insert s dot n. Sum is equal to sum minus st dot begin. Answer plus is equal to new sum. Okay. Const, um, yeah. And st dot clear. 啊 See, what I'm actually trying is once I started getting one, you and const or insert nums of st minus 1. Okay, then I have this many numbers and I will remove one minus 10. Wait a minute. How? What are the numbers we have right now? Let me think. Next time. How come it is minus 7? 9 minus 2. Wait a minute. What are the elements we have? That's what I have to print. 4 and 9. 49. Huh? Wait a minute. 49. Start is equal to 1. Ah, okay. I have two only. Okay, here, right? I have 2 and 9. That's cool. And plus is equal to 1 sharp. uh, Okay, this is fine. This is 9. Okay. And 1 is equal to 0. Cool. This is 4. This is 14. I don't know. This is a correct logic or not. Maybe there are some flaws here. That is what I'm. Can this go an infinite loop? Well, it's always plus here. If it is not, then it will plus here. I don't know. Wait, how come this is wrong? We need to do this. We just to include this. This is almost good, right? We are almost good. What you can do is, what if I can add 0, 0? Now, push back 0. S plus is equal to 0. This is fine, right? I'm just doing what else seems to in mind because I'm not hoping anything from this one. Yes, this is edge case actually. How come it came inside this start, right? This start. It is 0, right? How come it came inside this? Start is equal to 0 and is equal to 1. Okay, didn't came inside this. Start is equal to 2 and is equal to 2. Okay, some tricks I'm trying. I don't know what I'm doing. And it's good to me. Ah, fuck. This is harsh. This is harsh. Literally, this is harsh. I don't. Now what's wrong? Mhm. There's a better way to do this same thing. Let me do it. Learn for loop I plus plus. Minus one and is equal to minus one. Okay. If f of I is equal to 1, if start is equal to minus 1, then start is equal to I, and is always I. That's fine. And so this is C, and C dot insert nums of I. Okay. Else case. This is 0. The first continuous one, and we have 0. If start is greater than 0, then only we do C dot insert nums of start minus 1 also, and we'll maintain a sum also here at the nums of I, and here sum plus is equal to nums of start minus 1, then will be sum minus is equal to C dot begin. Yeah, then we'll do answer plus is equal to sum, the C dot clear, and sum is also 0. Otherwise, what we'll do is this thing. Okay, start is equal and start is equal to I, and is equal to I. What are we getting? 4, oh, 4. This is not good. Okay. Minus 1 and is equal to minus 1. 15, 4, 40, 61, 3. We have accepted. But today, 6 penalty, 2 penalty, 4 penalty, 4, 10, 12 penalty, 12 fucking penalties. It was a easy contest, but I just need a little more focus. That's it. If I read the question carefully and if I didn't do any kind of bullshit things, this was a pretty easy contest. I didn't like it was a it's not hard actually. My rank is 11, definitely negative delta. It's fine. The motto is yeah, able to solve three questions. No, this is not true, right? I don't know why this is not updating in real time. No, this is not updating. Wow, I'm getting 4K rank here. 4K. Not bad, right? If I didn't have this penalty, then this is a good contest for me. Why I have this fucking penalties? This is crazy. Right? Let's try 4. We have almost 40 minutes. Maximum sum with a group co-prime element. Yeah, wait, and what's the constraint? Okay, we need some optimal solution. Like it's not a deep. It may be deep. It may not be. No more assumption. You are given an integer array called nums and max value. Okay, you may change any element in nums to any position less than or equal to max value. Each such change cost one. Two integer are co-prime if their GCD is one. After all modification, you must choose an integer I such that nums of I is a co-prime with every other element. So, okay. Okay. Ah, the thing is, this is not. It's a game of mindset, right? Because I usually think four question is impossible for me. That's why my mind is started thinking in that way. Like this is not cup of your cake, blah blah. It's not that hard. It is maybe it is, but why I'm feeling lazy once I reach fourth question? I don't know. I don't want a fucking negative delta. Ah, this is my correct frame. But wait, what the fuck? Why they're not showing? Okay, so it is plus. The point is because I have penalty, right? Someone solved definitely he or she. in front of me only, right? Because I have negative delta. And this will update. I definitely get negative delta. That's this for sure. Anyway, I'm not going to try fourth question. Let's see. It was a pretty good contest. I should be a more focused hitting negative, instead of hitting negative submissions. I should be more focused, right? Why fucking, I don't know why fucking this sixth wrong submission I needed for first question. See how ranks is changing. How ranks is changing. Ah, it's hard. It's hard. Even though I did three questions, I'm still wearing rating. It's hard. That's why I told you in starting. To try not to hit wrong answer. Still I did right. That's fine. Okay. It's a part of process. Cool, cool, cool. So that's all about today's contest. Let me refresh one more time. Yeah, it is not updating. That's fine. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.